You are going to love the 2017 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.